Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on INFINIX Hot 50i. So you have to start by opening your settings application. Then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to click on parental controls. And click let's do this. Then click sign in. Now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. Now you have to enter your password. And click I agree. Now click accept. And click supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and you have to enter your child password again. Now click next and click allow. And here you have to scroll down and click next. Then click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.